Hi, in this video you'll learn how to create your first ThingLink project. After you log into your account, go to the media page. Here you will see all your interactive media projects. To create a new project, click on the blue Create button in the top right corner and choose the type of content you would like to create. Here you have different options like images, videos, 360-degree images and others. For now, let's select the image option to create an interactive image. You can generate 2D and 360-degree images using AI, search for images without worrying about usage rights with Unsplash, or create an image using the Canva integration. I will upload my content from my device. Now that your content is uploaded, the editor opens automatically. If that's not the case, then click on the scene's thumbnail and then click the Edit button in the top right corner to open the editor. Let's start by creating a few tags. Click on the blue Add Tag button on the left to create tags. On the left side panel, you'll see these different tag types. Text and media tags can display different media like text, links, images, and videos. Text and media tags are useful for providing detailed information about something. Text label tags display a short text message when you hover over the icon. Text label tags are useful for annotating objects. Embed tags display embedded content, such as other web tools and web pages. Transit tags allow you to connect multiple ThingLink projects to create a presentation or a tour. Question tags allow you to ask the viewer a question and provide multiple answer options, including one correct answer. Optionally, you can add a correct answer message and a wrong answer message. The answer data is not collected, so check out the scenario builder if you are interested in answer analytics. And finally, poll tags allow you to collect anonymous feedback from your viewer. Let's start with the multi-purpose text and media tag type. Click the Add Title field to enter a title. Then click Add Description field to add the main body of text. For this example, let's create a tag that explains how to use a fire extinguisher. The title will communicate what the tag is about, and the description will provide detailed instructions. If you want to add an image or a video, in the Media Files section you can either upload from your device or search for an image. Click on Change Layout if you would like to change the layout of the tag. Click Done to save your changes. Let's add another text and media tag. I'll once again add a title and a description, but also a video of recognizing manual call point. You can upload a PDF file or a 3D model as well. You can add a URL in the button URL section and add a button text for the URL. The link I added contains more information about manual call point. Every field is optional and the tag will adapt depending on what content you add. You can also format description text by selecting the part you want to format and clicking on the text formatting buttons below the description. To change the tag's position, click and drag it across the screen to the desired place. Click on the tag and click on the Change Icon button to change the icon of the tag and choose your icon. Now let's create a text label tag. Text label tags cannot contain more than 100 characters, but they are useful for annotating different objects in your image. This tag will instruct viewers to use stairs instead of the elevator. Let's change the icon of the tag. You can customize the color of any icon provided by ThingLink. To do this, select the icon design, then click the color wheel and select the colors you would like to use. Let's move on to the Embed tag. Embed tags allow you to embed external tools or web pages like YouTube videos, Wikipedia pages, Google Maps, and many other edtech tools. I'll add this YouTube video of how to use a fire extinguisher by pasting the link to the video. I'll add another embed tag and add a location from Google Maps. To do this, go to Google Maps, search for the location you would like to embed. In this scene, it could be a meeting point in case of fire. And copy the embed code when sharing the location. Paste the embed code and it will appear like this. When the viewer clicks on the embed tag, they will be shown the content of the other website immediately, and they can interact with it without needing to leave this scene. Transit tags allow you to connect multiple scenes together to create a presentation or a tour. To create a transit tag, click on Transit button and then click Select Scene. Here you can choose one of your scenes or upload a new file from your device. With the transit tag, you could connect multiple scenes to your current scene. Once you are happy with your scene, click Done and you can preview your scene. You can browse your scenes that are linked to the scene by clicking on the cards icon in the bottom right corner. Or just click on the transit tag that will take you to a different scene. To go back to your original image, click on the home icon in the top left corner and click the edit button in the top right corner to continue editing your image. What else can you do in the editor? Let's click on the settings button to find out. As you can see, settings are mostly used to customize the appearance of your project and to enable advanced functionality. Let's go over some of the more important settings. The tag customization menu allows you to change functionality and the appearance of the content inside the tags. You can choose one of the preset templates or select custom colors for text, backgrounds, and link buttons. You can also choose one of the preset fonts using the font menu. From the same tag customization view, you can enable or disable the hover preview for text and media tags. This setting is enabled by default. Let's go back to the settings panel. If you scroll to the bottom, you can disable or enable the ThingLink logo and other buttons shown in the bottom right corner. Simply click on the respective icon in the left side panel to turn it off or on. There are many other settings you can explore, but we will not discuss them in this guide. Now I am happy with my project and ready to share it with others. Let's click Done to close the editor and adjust the privacy settings by clicking the eye icon and choosing Anyone with the link. This will allow anyone to view the project without having to sign in. Next, let's click the Share button. You will see a number of different options here. Let's click Share Link and copy the link to this project. I can now send this link to my colleagues or students. Other options allow you to embed your project into your website or LMS, sharing a direct link that does not show any ThingLink interface elements, embed your project in PowerPoint presentation, and a few other options. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope this guide will help you get started. Check out our other guides for information on advanced features and other products.